Hello and welcome back to our Vcode CSI Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. Once again, we are back with an interesting topic in Java programming. So today's topic is going to be on ternary operators. So basically, what is this ternary operators? Okay, I'll explain you with an example. Okay, see, this is a notepad. Okay, let us assume two variables, namely a, which is equals to, let it be 10, and the variable name b, that would be equals to 20. Okay, and now you want to print the value of b with respect to the value of a. So what you would do there, you just simply apply if condition there. If a is much more equals to 10, then print the value as 20, or else print it as print it as 10 itself. Okay, so basically you would do like this. What if you want to print the value of b with respect to a, you would be applying this condition, right? If a is equals to 10, you just print the value as 20, or else print it as 10. That means, yes, listen to the line carefully. That means what you're saying, if a is much more equals to 10, which means if it is true, you print it as 20, or if it is false, print it as 10. Okay, so for this small case, you are writing this big line, right? So instead of writing this such a big line, you can just write it into one line itself. So how would you write that? So you just want to print the value of b with respect to a, right? So you write your variable name here. So variable, which would be equals to expression 1 if it is true, expression 2, or expression 3. So this is your syntax of the ternary operators. So in this case, you would like to find the value of b with respect to a, right? So what is a variable? It's b, right? Which is equals to the condition. If a is much more equals to 10, if it is true, print it as 20, or else print it as 10. Okay, I'll explain you this in a more detailed manner. Just give me a second. Yeah, watch it over here. So you are assigning a variable, right? See, you have assigned a variable which is b here, and you have written your expression 1. What is your expression 1? If a is much more equals to 10, if it is true, see, if it is true, it would be jumping to the expression 2. See, if it is true, it would be jumping to 20, or if it is false, it will be jumping to expression 3. Yeah, if it is false, it would be jumping to 10. Of course, a is much more equals to 10, which is true, so it would be, our output be getting 20 value. So that means we would get the b value as 20, or else if this condition is false, it will get output as 10. That means b, that is equal to 10, right? So watch this, remember this carefully. You are assigning a variable and you are writing a condition here. If this condition is true enough, you will be getting your it will be going to the expression 2, or if it is false, it will be going to the expression 3. Okay, so that's the concept here. So that is all about the ternary operators. And let's do one example. Okay, so what, just a second, is the output of the following code. Okay, I'll type the code, you guys just stay tuned. and void and then a curly bracket and string xyz, which should be equals to true, get number 20. Okay, and then system.out.print xyz, and next, just a second, yeah, and void get number system.out.print yeah. So this is our code. Once again I have kept a mistake in this code. You guys just figure out what mistake I have done in this one, and I'll give you 5 seconds. It's 3, 2, 1 and go. I'm running the code. Yeah, I hope I haven't done mistake. Yeah, well, in ternary operators we won't allow the void function here. Okay, we won't allow any void functions in the ternary operators. As I showed, just a second, not this. Yeah, look at here. It's not mentioned anywhere that we have used a void function. See, it's just basically the concept is just about this line itself. It's a variable, it's expression 1, expression 2, expression 3, that's itself. There is no more than that. But and moreover, we should not use any void functions in the given code or in a ternary operators. Okay, so that's the reason we are getting an error there. And we have used a void number function here and a void get number, so that's the reason we are getting an error here. So don't do mistakes as that, because ternary operators won't allow any void functions inside the function. Okay, so that's the mistake I have done in this code. So that's your answer, and let's meet in another video, guys. Thank you.